Welcome to Tally Capital Videos. In this video, you will learn how to check your business loan eligibility in Tally Capital Add-on Release 2.1. Tally Capital Add-on has introduced the Check Eligibility feature, where you can check the loan amount you are eligible for by following a few easy steps. You can choose to check the loan eligibility either by uploading your bank statements or based on your Tally data. Checking eligibility using bank statements is recommended to generate more accurate eligibility information. Let us check the business loan eligibility. From the gateway of Tally, press Alt 9 or click Tally Capital. Press F5 or click Check Eligibility on the Tally Capital screen. Enter the mobile number followed by the OTP. Once authenticated, you will be taken to the Check CIBIL Score screen. Enter your personal details like individual PAN, first name, last name, email, date of birth, and PIN code. The mobile number will be pre-filled with the number you have entered during the login. To view the Terms and Privacy Policy, click on Terms and Privacy Policy or set the option View the Terms and Privacy Policy to Yes. To agree to the terms and conditions, set the option to Yes. Once you enable the option, your details will be verified and you will receive an OTP from CIBIL. Enter the OTP. Now, you can choose to check loan eligibility either as per bank statement or as per Tally data. As per bank statement is recommended for more accurate loan eligibility information. Click Eligibility as per bank statement or press Alt B. Note that you will have to upload the bank statements for the last 1 year. Select the account type from the list of account type. Upload the bank statement under file name and enter the password if the document is password protected. Press Ctrl A to submit the documents. It may take up to 45 seconds to generate your business loan eligibility. You can click Yes to wait and view the eligibility until it is generated, or you can click No to proceed. Press Y or click Yes. You can check your business loan eligibility. If you click No and proceed, your loan eligibility details will be sent to the given email address. Now, let us see how to check loan eligibility as per Tally data. Enter the individual details as shown earlier. Click Eligibility as per Tally data or press Alt C. As you can see, the loan offer appears on the right side of the screen. This amount is derived based on your Tally data, including the average monthly sale and the average monthly expenses for the last 6 months. The values are pre-filled based on the company selected. You can also see your EMI from the existing loans. This is derived from the generated CIBIL report. Press F7 or click the CIBIL Report Right button to view your CIBIL report. Note that you can also alter the average sales and expense values manually if required. The loan offer will change accordingly. Once the eligible business loan amount has been derived, press Alt A or click Apply Now to get started with your loan application journey. Thank you. To know more about Tally Capital business loans, Visit tallycapital.tallysolutions.com.